Kanta muna. Kanta, dali. Lalala. Ano, Ming? Kanta muna, kanta. Kanta ko ni si kanta, be. Ganda ng bus. Kanta muna. Wow. Gutom na ikaw. Gutom na ikaw. Ito. Gutom na daw siya.
Kasi nga, like what I talked about earlier in Palawan, that's where I really felt it that she was gonna be the one. So we wanted to
Gutom na daw siya.
yes, in Palawan and then we go with our friends over there in Angkla, just to bring back and share how we all started and celebrated with our friends.
Kain na. Gutom daw ang Miming.
I'm also doing flying school. So after the beach wedding, I want to get back to that. And also Japan isn't really that far. It could be out of the plane, right? But then I can always go to him. Hopefully 18 months.
Dali na ka na.
If you have the time.
Wow, that's really, really interesting. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you play basketball?
No?
I do. I also do. Pero magpatulungan tayo. Sige, kids, tulungan na. Gusto mo, dribble the ball with fingertips. Paano fingertips?
Kawawa sila guys. Gutom na gutom. Yan, binigyan ko ng isdang talapia. Para mabusog naman. Gutom na gutom. Ewan ko ba yung may-ari nito, hindi naman pinapakain. Lagi dito yan.